All right, so raise your hand if you never want to answer the question, what's for supper, ever again. Ha! Oh yeah, definitely. I would totally be in that category because what happens when you have somebody ask you, hey, what's for supper tonight? It's such a drain on your mental energy. And you seriously, I start like spiraling into I don't even know what I have in the house. I can't even think of decent meal ideas. What would my family actually even want tonight? It's just such a drain on your mental energy. So, I've realized over the past 3 years of being a coach that I have a concrete solution to that problem. So, if I do 3 crucial steps every week, my weeks go so much smoother. Like, supper time is effortless. And it's amazing how much of a difference these 3 steps can make. So, planning, shopping, and prepping. Okay? So 3 steps, and they might sound really simple, but it takes time. It really does, and it takes the right tools and the right support in order to actually implement them into your life. So, that is why I created Fixing Supper. Okay, it's a 4-week workshop, and the beauty of it being 4 weeks is that it takes 21 days to create a habit. I'm sure you guys have probably heard that before, but the magic happens between days 22 and 28. It's in that 4th week that you get to actually enjoy that habit that you created and have that like, yes, I can totally do this kind of a feeling. So that's why I created this to be 4 weeks, because I totally want you to have that like, yeah, totally nailed it kind of a feeling. So what you'll get within those 4 weeks is it completely invaluable. So you'll not only get my support and my accountability, but this is a workshop where you actually get tools, okay? One of those tools being you get 10 recipes for weeks 1, 2, and 3. All right, what you're gonna do with those 10 recipes is pick 5, or you can pick your own 5 if you don't like what I have to give you. That's totally fine too. But you pick 5, and the Thursday before that week, you plan out those recipes. So you pick 5, then you create your grocery list. All right. I have a couple bonus tools that will help you create that grocery list. I love that bonus tool. So I'm going to keep that a surprise though. So you create your grocery list, you go shopping, you come home, and sometime throughout the weekend, so Saturday or Sunday, whatever works within your schedule, you prep your suppers. All right? Everything is ready to go. And that way, your weekdays, you don't have to be thinking about what am I going to make for supper tonight. Now, to alleviate the problem of, God, there's so many recipes, so many meals that I've made that my family loves, and I can't think of a single one right now. Yeah, that totally happens to me. To alleviate that, I am going to share with you the meal tracker tool. Okay, it's a spreadsheet that you guys can print if you want. You can keep it electronically if you want to fill it out electronically, whatever works well for you. But it is going to completely alleviate that thought of I just am drawing a complete blank. I can't think of anything to make for supper tonight. All right, so it's honestly the most clear-cut solution. It's going to take some time. Yes, it will. Okay, I'm not going to sugarcoat that, but you're spending that time anyways, and you're spending a whole lot more mental energy all throughout your weekdays thinking, letting that question of what's for supper just drain you, okay? So that is what Fixing Supper is all about, and I can't wait to see you in the workshop. I will talk to you guys soon, and I hope you have a really good day. Bye.